So welcome friends, thank you for joining me. So we're working on a unique Greek board and we're just loading up the board on row 2. As you can see, I'm loading up the board on every hole, row 2. So I did make most of the petals for this project. We are using, hold on. We are using the red and black mesh, red and black stripes, and we are using a white bead. This is the LE petal. We're using the black horizontal stripe, and I think we went every hole for this one too. So altogether we'll need 40 petals. Little, I don't know, cow print bead. These beads came from Temu. They're 16mm beads. Up row 3 every hole. Altogether we'll need 40 petals. I'm doing 28 of these colors here, so I'll show you in a bit how I folded the LE petal. So I did mention that this wreath could be a Valentine's Day wreath, it could be an everyday wreath. All right, so the board is loaded up. So there's my placement of my zip ties. Okay, so there's 24 zip ties on row 2, and then there's 16 zip ties on row 3. Altogether, that's 40. Again, I made about 17/8 of these color right here, and I'll make 3 for you. So I did cut this with a rotary cutter, just because I'll need a couple of clips, just because all the edges will be hidden down. So I'll find my middle. This is how I find the middle, and I just put those together like that, just overlapping a bit. And then here you can clip your, if you're a beginner, you can clip your mesh so it won't fly away from you or unfold on you. So I fold it over just to the middle right here. Fold it over, and I grab my clip and I'll clip it right there. Swirl it around, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. And just until these folds meet up, that is where I stop and my fold. Okay, so just like that. And you see the little where you fold is, you put your finger right there and you flip. I'm right-handed, so I'm just gonna flip this over and swirl it around again because I'm right-handed. Grab my clips, I don't need them. And here I always measure. This is where I always measure to get my 5-inch. Placing this on the 15-inch, going down to the 20 and a half, and I'll just pinch and pinch, okay? Just like that, and I'll grab a 4-inch zip tie, and I'll just put that little zip tie right there and clip off my, in this case, white. Grab my longer zip tie. So again, these beads are 16mm. They come from Temu. So I'm just gonna put that up there like so. Okay, and then I just put this little knob zip tie under like that. Okay, just like that while holding the bead, and here I zip it. Okay, just I zip it up. You want to make sure that your bead is right at the top here, or wherever you want your bead. So, but I'm placing my beads at the top. And I close it fully, and I clip that off. Cut this off right here. Okay. And there is your Ellie petal. And so I'll need 20 of these. I'll make one more in black. And with the, I don't know, kind of cow print bead right there. I'll do the same thing in the middle and overlap these. I overlap these about a square inch. These folds up here, about a square inch is how I fold mine, overlap mine, I mean. And then I fold this over. You can use clips here, but I don't need to. I've been doing a lot of these Ellie petals and Liz petals, and I don't need to use my clips now. So I find a 5.5 inch mark, and I pinch right there. Okay, and then I put my zip tie on. Let's add this one over here now. I use my longer zip ties for this part here because I tried using my 4-inch and it's too slow for me, so longer zip ties work well, I think. Yep, so there's your Ellie petal. Okay, here it is. And what I thought I'd be doing here now is just alternating the colors all around on the second row. I thought I'd try that, something a little different, 2 different colors for this, just so it'll match the sign right here. So again, this sign came from Timu. It is an 8-inch sign. Okay, so the reason why I measure on the board first with my petals is because I'll just know that they're all about the same size when I place them into the zip ties, and so I'll know that they're all almost the same, and that one is not longer like that, or you know, almost uniformed, I should say. So I think the sign will pop with these colors. I seem to be making a lot of red, white, and black with my Valentines designs, but yeah, it's okay. Love the colors. That's why I'm here. If you have questions, you can let me know, or you probably know the Ellie petal by now, because I did do a lot of these wreaths before this. Okay, so I think this is gonna look good. What do y'all think? So again, 40 petals is what you need for this kind of wreath right here. So alternating again. So that's good. So do you know? So make sure the top is up here this way, and I'll add my sign. There's no 2 holes in the middle, so this must be an older board, but I'm going in there anyway, so, but I don't need those middle holes. So I go in between this petal when I add my sign. So there's one pipe cleaner going on that hole and the other one on the other side. So I think that's good right there. Okay, I found the 2 holes. Pull that up. I could have gone through the mess too bad. No. Ooh, look. My bead's just making those noises. I'm gonna cut that off a bit. And put that back into the holes. And while I'm back here, I'm gonna add the hanging zip tie. I'll do it this way, where the nub will be hidden under the board, so it won't close up. Okay. Whoop, that went flying. So the nub is under the hole now, under the board. It's not up here. Okay, so there's the wreath. So there's my little, let me show you let you know on the measurement from bead to bead. It's 19 inches. diameter. So it's just a cute little wreath. This is so pretty.